Hello everybody, welcome back to Negin Academy. In today's video, we are going to dive into one of the most fundamental tenses in English, the simple present tense. When can I use simple present? How does it work? Stick around and let's find it out. Lesson 1. When to use simple present. The simple present tense might seem simple, but it's incredibly versatile and used in many different situations. So, let's talk about 4 main times when you use the simple present. We have to use simple present first for routine actions, second, general truths, third, habits, and number 4, whenever we want to talk about our fixed arrangements, we must use simple present tense. Let's talk about each of them one by one. Number 1, routine actions. We have routine actions. These are the things we do regularly, often as part of our daily or weekly schedule. Let's look at the example. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. Or we could say, she wakes up at 7 a.m. every day. These actions happen on a regular basis, every day at 7 a.m. So we use the simple present to describe them. Think of it this way. If it's something you can put on your calendar, it's probably going to be in the simple present. General truths. These are statements that are always or generally true. For instance, the sun rises in the east. It's the fact of life. These are about things that don't change no matter where you are or what day it is. Whenever you are stating a fact, reach for the simple present. Now let's move on to habits. These are actions we do regularly, almost without thinking. You might say, he drinks coffee every morning. Or we could say, I read the newspaper every day. These are not just routines, they are behaviors that define us. So, if it's something you do regularly and consistently, it's a habit, and yes, it's in the simple present. And finally, let's talk about fixed arrangements. These are future events that are scheduled and set in stone. For example, we could say, the train leaves at 6 p.m. Or we could say, her flight arrives at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow. Even though we are talking about the future, because these events are certain and planned, we use the simple present. So, if it's in your schedule and not likely to change, the simple present is your go-to tense. Now let's look at some more examples in simple present tense. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Look at the verb eat. Yeah, very good. Routine action. They study English every Tuesday. They do something repeatedly every Tuesday. So it's a routine action. Excellent. Water boils at 100 degrees. Something boils. It's a fact. Very good. So it's general truth and we must use simple present for it. Next example. Does the earth orbit the sun? Very good. Again, we have general truth. That's why we have to use simple present tense. Next example. He always brushes his teeth before bed. Very good. Here we have a habit. Next one. They don't go to the park on weekends. They don't do something. It's a habit again. Very well. Excellent. Next example. The movie starts at 8 p.m. The movie starts. Something starts at 8 p.m. It's a fixed arrangement. Very good. So that's why we have to use simple present. Last but not least, the store doesn't open at 9 a.m. The store doesn't open at 9 a.m. It's a fixed arrangement. Now it's your turn. Let's see how well you've been paying attention. Here's a question for you. Which of the following sentences is in the simple present tense? A. She's reading a book every night. B. The train leaves at 8 p.m. C. They went to the park yesterday. Drop your answer in the comments below and tell me why you chose it. I'll be checking to see who gets it right. Thanks guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more tips. See you in the next video. Bye!